Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new denim, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So these 23-inch capris from Lee, they're high rise. They have the whiskering straight through the leg, also has a little slit at the bottom, pockets in the back. It's a nice thinner stretchy denim, and these are $24.98. New drawstring jeans from Madden NYC. These are high rise. They have that drawstring, the side pocket, nice and flowy leg, no pockets in the back, in the solid white. They also come in the chambray. Really good look for less. I know I've seen these, a couple designers do this little drawstring, and these are going to be $23. New barrel leg jeans from Scoop. These are high rise. They have that seam detail, whiskering, and then pockets in the back. They're going to be $28. New short denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker straps, the scoop neckline, full button, shorter length. You could see the seam detail through the front, and then the back. It kind of flows out just a little bit of an A-line, and they are going to be $32. Right next to that, I didn't get a chance to tell you guys, but they did stock these in all sizes. I know when I showed them in my haul, they were only available in plus, but now they have extra small too. I think either 3 or 4X. But these have that squared neckline, the thicker straps, full button, has that same fit with the seam in the back, and they're $28. Also new white denim from Scoop. These say they are a oversized wide leg, sits at the waist, flowy through the front, and then the same fit through the back with elastic, and they are going to be $26. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the fading, this little seam detail color block on the sides, and then pockets in the back, and these are $24. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg, super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. New Free Assembly denim shorts. So these have the button zip, these 2 front pockets, also has the pockets on the back. It says patch pocket short, and these are $18. New denim jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, has the little puff shoulder detail, button on the wrist. This is the 2XL, so it is a little more fitted with the seam in the back, and these are going to be $32. New belted shorts from Levis. So these come with a little thin belt, side pocket, fit and flare outs, A-line, 3.5-inch inseam with the pockets on the back. Comes in the denim, also in the beige, and they're $21.98. And then down here they also have a new brown denim short. These are high rise, that side seam detail, also that A-line with the pockets. So similar to that sub, but they don't have the belt. And these are also $21.98. So these have that high rise, the whiskering, color block through the leg, seam through the back, and they are going to be $28. New denim from Jessica Simpson. These have the 2 front pockets, a tapered leg, has that raw hem, and then pockets on the back, and they're $30. New denim high neck tops from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline, sleeveless, that seam detail with the zipper, and these are going to be $20. Is from Free Assembly. They have that thicker strap, the plunging V, zip front with the 2 pockets, fit and flares, and then that seam fit through the back with the seam detail. They are going to be $28. New chambray dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has the thicker strap, it's a little tie, seam at the waist, it's flowy, smocked in the back, and they are going to be $36. Also new color block denim from Scoop. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, the panel on the side, and then the seam fit through the back, and they are going to be $28. Sneak peek shorts from Free Assembly. These have the tie, pockets, relaxed fit, the same fit through the back, and these are $22. They have white, and then they also have that mid-tone denim. Anthropology, look for less denim. These are from Free Assembly. They have that high rise, the same 2 front pockets. The bottom I think is a little bit different, but the stripes in the top portion is identical. These are only $26, and then they also come in this mid-tone wash. Online only denim shorts from No Boundaries. These have the 1-button zip. These are shorter with the little slit in the leopard print. They have pockets in the back. New short from Lee. So this is called the Fresno. It's 6-inch inseam, has the side pocket, kind of flows out. It's a thinner, lightweight, kind of like twill. And then pockets on the back. And these are $21.98. And then behind that is a new denim short from Lee. This is a 4-inch inseam, has the banded bottom. It's soft and thick, and then the seam fit through the back, and those are also $21.98. These new denim dresses from Celebrity Pink. They have the smaller collar, full button, this little puff shoulder detail, seam through the back in the light chambray. Also comes in the mid-tone, and they're $24.50. Also new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has the full gold buttons, the 2 pockets. We also saw that boxy top that matches back to this. Also has the pockets on the back. And these are going to be $22. Right above that, they have a new contrast denim. These are high rise, relaxed fit, has this whiskering, pockets on the back. They're $17.98. They also have in just like the solid navy. Sleeveless tops from Time and True. They have the smaller collar, full button, 1 pocket. It's a nice kind of flowy fit through the front and the back with the seam. Comes in the mid-tone, also in this 1 wash lighter, and they're $14.98. New white denim shorts from Time and True. So this is their 4-inch inseam with the raw hem. I shared these in a haul in the dark denim, and they're very true to size. Do not size down on them. So now they have the new white. They also have a darker wash and the mid-tone, and I think they have some more colors online, and they're $16.98. So they're from Lee. They have that V neckline, the seam detail, seam through the back in that mid-tone, also the light chambray, and they're $24.98. New denim romper from Celebrity Pink. So this has the plunging V, full button, elastic through the back in the orange, also comes in the chambray, and they're $24.50. Also new denim shorts from Levi's and Strauss. These are a 4-inch inseam. It says the vintage shorts. They have that raw hem. These are nice, soft, and stretchy. They're not that thick, uncomfortable denim. In this lighter chambray, also comes in the mid-tone. They're $21.98. And then also new Bermuda shorts from Levi's. These have the high rise, whiskering, the little cuff, pockets on the back. They're $21.98 in the dark indigo, and then they also come in a mid-tone. New denim shorts from Celebrity Pink. These are called Flip Fray. So it has the cuff with the little slide with the fringe, side pocket, the heart button feeding through the front, also in the back, and they are going to be $13.50. Beneath that is a new long short. These look like they're high rise. They have the side pocket, whiskering, the little flat pocket through the leg, pockets on the back. In the denim, also comes in beige, and they're $24. Celebrity Pink, it has the button zip, that seam detail with the side pocket, seam with no pockets in the back. It comes in the denim, also in the olive denim, and they are going to be $15.50. New blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, the tortoise button, relaxed to the wrist. It is completely lined. They're going to be $38. These are more like a culotte, and then it looks like these are long short. So these have the double button fading. These are also from Madden NYC, and they come in the dark wash, and these are going to be $21. Denim shorts from No Boundaries. These have the raw hem. They're a 3-inch inseam, pockets in the back, and the acid wash. They also have the dark indigo. Those are $10.88. And then on this side, they have the cuffed option. They're also a 3-inch inseam in the mid-tone, also in the black, and they're also $10.88. New lace trim denim shorts from No Boundaries. So they have that ivory lace, the raw hem. These look like they are shorter, and the same fit through the back. They are $11.98. And then also the same cut without the lace. So they look even shorter. These are also $11.98. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline, fit and flares out with pockets. Has the zipper through the back. And they are $36. New barrel jeans from Madden NYC. So these look like they're high-rise, the two front pockets. They come in at the ankle and pockets in the back. Now in this pink wash, that's what it looks like up close. We also saw them in the mid-tone and they're $23. New denim from Free Assembly. These are high-rise. They have the whiskering, nice baggy leg through the front and back, and they're $26. And then also new front pocket denim from Free Assembly. These are high-rise, the whiskering, flowy through the leg. In the denim, also comes in the ivory, and they are $26. I think they have these online only, the pull-on Melissa flares. I have not seen these in stores. When I was in New Jersey, they did have them a lot, but these have that elastic waistband, pocket, fitted through the leg, perfect flare. You guys know I love her jeans. And then they have that high rise, and these are going to be $22. Also new denim from Scoop. So these look like they're high rise, two pockets, the two flat pockets, and then they're on the back. It says low slung cargo, and they're $28. New wide leg jeans from No Boundaries. So these have that high rise pockets, whiskering, elastic through the back. You can see that seam detailing, and these are $14.98. Right next to that, new straight leg jeans from No Boundaries. So these are the high rise. They have the whiskering straight through the leg, and they are going to be $14.98. Also new skinny jeans from Sophia. So these have the double button pocket, whiskering, fitted through the ankle, really good seam detailing in the back, and these are going to be $22. New denim from Madden NYC. So these look like they're a mid-rise. They have the zippered pockets at seams, a little bit of a boot cut, and then pockets on the back, and they're going to be $25. Denim skirts from Madden NYC. So these look like they're pretty short. They have this rhinestone star detail, and then no rhinestones in the back. Comes in the white, also in the denim, and they're going to be $20. New style jumpsuit from Celebrity Pink. This one has the mid-size collar, zip, has the button, side pocket, whiskering straight through the leg, and then elastic through the back. These are $27.50. And then they also have a new overall zip boyfriend cut. It has the adjustable straps, pocket, the little heart detail straight through the leg with the cargo pocket, and they are $26.50. This is a skirt from Lee. It has the 3-button side pocket, pockets on the back. They're $24.98. In this mid-tone, they also come in the light chambray. More of a slim straight. It's fitted through the hip and thigh, and then straight through the leg. These are from Levi's. That's what the ankle looks like. Comes in the mid-tone, a little dark indigo, solid black. They're $24.98. And then you guys know I love the Time and True straight leg jeans, so that's what they look like on. Really good option if you normally like skinny. And I know skinny jeans are on the, like, they're on the rise, but we're not seeing them as much yet. So these are mid-rise, but I feel like they're more of like a higher mid-rise, stretchy, straight through the leg. In this dark indigo, there is some whiskering. There's also this lighter down. These are a little less stretchy than the darker shade, and then also the black is really stretchy, and these are only $17.98. New Gloria Vanderbilt denim. So these look like they're mid-rise, pockets, straight through the leg. It's the Amanda, and they're $22.98. Time and True denim shorts. These are high rise, whiskering. They have the cuff, pockets on the back in the mid-tone, also the dark indigo, and they're $16.98. Cuff shorts from Time and True. These have the belt loops, a little flat pocket, side pocket, cuff, and then that's the pockets in the back. They have denim in the beige, that acid wash, like a twill material in black and olive, and there's also a bunch of more colors online, and they're $18.98. New drawstring jeans from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering, drawstring, pockets, and nice super soft flowy denim. This is the 2, so you can see they're pretty oversized, and they are going to be $28. New flare pants from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these look like they're high rise. They have the whiskering, the perfect amount of flare, seam fit through the back. This is an ankle boot cut, and they're $24.98. New color in the drawstring jeans from Scoop. So these are the wide leg. They're high rise. They have the whiskering, nice and flowy. It's a soft denim with the little tie, and then pockets on the back. And these are going to be Oh yeah, they're online only, so they are $28, and I showed them in that wash. When I say online only, that's because somebody probably bought them online and returned them in store. So if you're looking in the store, you probably won't find them. Dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that scoop neckline, full button, has the little tie, relaxed sleeve, knee length, and then it's fit and flare through the back. Comes in the dark indigo, also in the white denim, and they're $32. They also have these new capris from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these have the button zip, the slimming elastic waist, cargo pocket. In this floral, they also have a khaki and blue, and they're $24.98. New jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson. This one has the smaller collar, it's zip, it has that banded waist, the seam detailing, pork chop pockets, and then it's a flare. How cute is this with the seam detailing in the back? Only in the mid-tone, and they are going to be $40. Are these new peplum tops from Jessica Simpson. It has that plunging V neckline, flutter sleeve, the little eyelet detail at the top. Also has this crochet trim. It's a flowy fit through the front, and then it continues around the back with some elastic. These are going to be $26. And then to match, they have these new jackets. These have the smaller collar, button on the wrist, shorter fit in the denim, and these are going to be $25. Also new denim shorts from Time and True. These have that raw hem. It's a 4-inch inseam with the pockets, and they're $16.98. They also have the 4-inch cuff, also $16.98. The Bermuda shorts are 10-inch inseam, and the cuff style in that mid-tone denim. I buy those every year. New denim skirt from Time and True. So this one has that seam detail pockets. Also has the pockets in the back. These are $16.98. They probably have more colors online. Also new wide leg cropped pants from Jessica Simpson. So these are high rise. They have the whisker. You can see they're really wide at the bottom. And then that seam fit through the back. $32.50. If you want the inseam, check out the links below. But I would say they're about 26-inch. And then they also have these new pull-on shorts. These have an elastic waistband, the little drawstring side pocket with the raw hem. Nice and flowy with pockets in the back in the red, green, and denim. And they're only $11.98. New accessories from Madden NYC. So they have this new western hat with the little rosette in the denim. These are $20. A black rhinestone hat in a felt material. Madewell Look for Less hats. These are from Time and True. They have the beige and black with the brown little strap, and then also the blue and white, and these are $9.97. Also new slides from Madden NYC. These have the square toe, this adjustable buckle in the denim, and they're $25. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.